Hello, good afternoon, Mr. H. So for today's update, they are now filling up with cement the post for the server room. So 1, 2, I think there's a third post also. This will be the post that we're gonna hold the flooring or the server room up there. And then they are also filling up this one, the parking, leveling it. And then next will be the sidewalk, the sloping of the sidewalk. So I think it can park 1, 2, 3 parking, 3 cars because of the what do you call it, the post that will be the border or the anong tawag doon? And also the big cement pot is already here, right there. And I think tomorrow I'm gonna buy the stones for here. Maybe 2 sacks of stones. Okay. And this is the cover of this one. This is the finish and final touch. There's a roof and then that one. And then on the other side, the cover for the jacuzzi machine. They already put some cement here. So the scratches from before will be cover up. And for the jacuzzi machine, that one, it needs to have a exhaust. That one also. The other side. Okie dokie.